There's a high and growing demand for computational scientists working in the geoscience sector, and the University of Glasgow has developed a master's to fulfill that demand. This program is all about teaching you the skills you need to model Earth systems and tackle some of the leading challenges of the day in the areas of geothermal, geophysical, geotechnical, GIS systems. So this is all about computationally modeling complex systems and understanding how we can interact with the Earth systems all around us in a productive manner. The Earth on which we live is very complex. There's many complicated processes coming together that affect us as a society. There are hazards, there are resources, and one way to tackle these challenges is to use computer modeling to understand how these systems work. We can observe a lot of things about the Earth, we can collect data in many domains, but much of what we're interested in is happening deep in the subsurface where we don't have access to observations. And so we can use computer simulations to understand how processes work that we can't directly observe. And that's very useful for us to understand how to interact with the Earth, how to use its resources, but also how to understand when it becomes hazardous to us as a society. As we were developing this program, we were in touch with a number of industry partners who all say that they need to have workers that understand how to build state-of-the-art computational systems to understand these processes. So this program is very applied. Rather than just sitting in lecture theatres all day, you're going to get lots of hands-on practicals where you're going to learn how to build these simulations from scratch, but also use some of the industry standard simulation packages so that you're going to be well equipped to go into any research or industry jobs.
It's designed very well for people who don't have an earth science background like myself, and so it's covered all areas of earth science from the interior of the earth all the way up to the atmosphere, and we've been looking at how to model the processes that are happening in these areas. Every single course on this degree programme has involved some aspect of practical experience, which has been great for developing skills that can take you, into lots of different industry areas. And also, if you want to stay on and do research, it's been great for developing those skills as well.
After the 2 semesters of teaching, you're going to be leading an independent piece of research in a summer project, and there are options to work with our industry partner on industry-relevant projects, where you're going to get a hands-on experience on what some of the leading companies in these sectors are working on. Glasgow is one of the leading institutes worldwide in computational modeling in the areas of science and engineering. We have a very thriving community of researchers here, and our Masters in Computational Geoscience will equip you with the computational modeling and machine learning skills and geoscience knowledge to prepare you for a career in this exciting global field.